Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, Matthew.
Yeah, good morning, Radhi.
So you moved back to Taiwan?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna back to the South Korea end of March.
Oh, South Korea. Sorry,
Yeah.
I say.
Yeah.
But you will be. But you'll continue to attend, or?
Yeah. I try to continue to attend, and awesome. Also, my follower Jungmin Choi, who is already attending this meeting. Tightly acted to our work and future collaboration. Don't worry about that. Yeah, we have tightly related. Yeah.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Backing up. Yeah. Jungmin, can you introduce yourself quickly?
Yeah.
Maybe you can wait. Yeah. So I think you did that, right, in the weekly meeting, if I recall, in CMS weekly meeting last week.
Regular meeting. Yeah, he's already attending.
Yeah, okay. Jingmin, let's wait maybe a couple of minutes and then
sure.
That we have enough attendance, and then you can introduce. That will be good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Yeah.
Yeah. And also, we guys all together getting stuck in the OCP CMS face-to-face tech day. Yeah.
So you will be attending? Yeah. Okay. Awesome.
Yeah. I am joined by online, but Jungmin Choi is directly attending
face-to-face.
Yeah. Face-to-face.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Thank you.
That's good. So let's give a couple of minutes. Still 9 o'clock. I didn't realize. Hey, Grant.
Hey, good morning. Finally fixed my audio.
Oh, awesome. I see Hongjin.
Hey, Grant and Hongjin, everyone.
Hey.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Morning.
Let's give a minute or two, and we'll get started. Who is this? How does this AI notes work? So it doesn't automatically get posted, is it? I guess we have to put the AI notes into the minutes.
The AI notes will be sent to the meeting host. So at this moment, I believe Calvin at OCP.
He has it, I say.
Yeah, he has it. And he mentioned he is trying to get a few more Zoom license so he can assign more people to like this meeting host.
Okay.
Oh, sure. Yeah, because
but
like
meanwhile,
right now,
does he plan to post it though with the audio plus, or is he expecting us to scrub it and then post it?
So that's a manual process. He gets the meeting recording links and the AI summary. So like once a few weeks, I send an email. Well, only once to him, and he will post the videos to the wiki page. But he also has the AI summary.
Okay, got it. Okay. So let's get started. Do we need to go through the white paper ownership on Chin from last week, or is there anything pending? Or
ready before that, just a small announcement. Last week we talked about having a presentation by DMTF representatives. They don't have they have a conflict on Thursdays, so they cannot be on this time slot. So they will present it during the CMS call on Friday. Not this Friday, but I believe 1 or 2 weeks from tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I heard that one. Yeah, thanks, Yamak, for closing that.
Just letting the rest of the team
Jeff,
know
right?
that Jeff Hilland of HPE,
yeah,
is going to present.
Okay. We haven't did he actually close in on the date, or is still thinking about it's 2 weeks out? I thought the week.
No, he specifically said a particular day. I'll check it.
Okay.
It's not this coming week. It's probably the one after that.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. But the main point is that it's on Friday, not Thursday.
That's right. Yeah, thanks for bringing that up. Yeah, I was going to ask that. Yeah. Okay, so we'll have to wait for that. Do we need to get somebody from the CXL side to present on, just the work in progress, or maybe just having this community be aware of what's happening in the CXL? CMAC?
High level we can talk, but as you know, some of these discussions are plans for future that stay within the consortium.
Right.
Let me see what I can. Let me see what I can do. I can get some of the marketing team with the outbound marketing messages come present.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, it will be good for the team to be aware of what's happening in the CXL community. Okay. So the white paper. I mean, the only topic we have for today is white paper, right, Hongchen? Has anybody taken a cut at it? Did we finalize the ownership from in the last week?
We do have a few volunteers or contributors that wants to make contributions. I'm not sure if we have finalized. We could review to see if anything is left. I think myself is kind of open to make contribution as well, but I don't see any chapter that I'm making contribution yet. So should we just quickly review it? I put the names on the meeting minutes page, not to the white paper itself.
Yeah. Do you want to shall I just open up the share the meeting minutes, or do you want I have it open?
Yes.
Or is it update? Is the document updated with owners, or only the meeting minutes has the ownership?
Only the meeting minutes.
Okay, got it. Okay, let me share that. Share the screen. Okay, you guys see this? Let me.
Yeah, it's sharing.
So, Adam and Fan, software emulation. Okay, so the Matthew Grant, Kubernetes, Fabric Management System. Memory Fabric, okay, we can merge that. Section 6, Fabric Manager, Alex Kubernetes. Okay, so what else we have? Let's see. Yeah, Hanshin, this may be the section 8, maybe the one that may be good for you to take the ownership, if you don't mind.
No
Since
problem.
you have done quite a bit of API work. Section 8. Yes, it is a typo. Current state of reference architecture. Okay, future disaggregated memory system. What do we expect to cover here? This may be the CXL 3.1 centric discussion, or even beyond that. Okay. Simon, do you want to take a cut at it? Or anybody else? Oops. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay.
Seeing like if you responded, you're on mute.
Siamak, are you on mute? You looks like you're on mute.
I'm sorry, I missed the question.
Yeah. Do you want to contribute to the future disaggregated memory system section? I think all these sections are talking about what we have currently, probably all the way up to multi-ported to some extent. There will be some element of the discussion here, but it's probably what's maybe setting the stage for the next white paper more than anything else. What do we want to,
okay,
kind of what's happening in the consortium
frankly,
and what do we need to do, kind of a thing, maybe.
Yeah, I will do that. Frankly, I haven't looked at the section yet, but I think I can make contributions.
Okay, awesome. Anybody else want to sign up?
Already, Matthew also contributed to the future distributed memory system. Yeah, already mentioned the item 2. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it would be good to bring in the hardware,
software
elements, as well as the consortium,
co-design,
as well as the yep, exactly.
Reddy, sorry, I joined late. There was some calendar confusion today because the academia work stream had second Thursday of every month at this time also, but their calendar, I don't know. OCP calendars are always out of sync.
Messed up.
I'm joining late today. Sorry.
No worries.
What were you asking about, Reddy?
We are just going through the white paper sections and trying to cleaning up the ownership.
Your share stopped, I think. Yeah.
Oh, is it? Is it the same case for you guys too, rest of the team? You don't see it?
Still sharing.
You see the one I'm sharing, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Maybe okay. Pankaj, it is just your screen.
Okay. Oh. Yeah, it has a tab at the top. I'm sorry.
Oh, no worries, no worries.
Okay.
APIs, orchestration is covered. Fabric manager, challenges is covered. Memory fabric is covered. And then the overview, I think. Yeah, okay. Let me go back to the, sorry, I need to scroll back to the top just to make sure. This is all standard stuff. Okay, looks like we have ownership for all the sections. Yeah, I mean, you know, when you have certain amount of, content, directly go and update this. Does everybody have access to the document? White paper document? If you don't have, do send me a note or Hongqin, and then we'll take care of it. You should have access. Pretty much added everybody as the editor. So,
yeah.
Okay. So that's basically what we have today. Shall we just, plan for milestones on the white paper on maybe just to kind of not have a very open-ended, so Rev maybe 0.51, the first draft. So we are in March. Maybe first draft I always take some time. How about May first week? I'll just put some, arbitrary, maybe 0.5, the between May and maybe June. We should probably call this as probably June first week. My assumption is that when you actually get to this, you'll probably have reasonably good amount of content for most of the sections. It's probably the reviews and feedback that will get us to Rev.5. July first week, Rev 1.0, end of July. It's kind of aggressive, but we will have to put some dates so that everyone is marching towards that. Does this make sense? Do you want me to call even more granular all the way, or just keep it at this level? And I mean, the owners, do you guys feel comfortable hitting these dates?
That seems reasonable to me. This is Adam. Yeah, I think that sounds that seems reasonable to me. I think, and then maybe as a group we could check in. I don't know, like mid-April, or just do a little check to make sure we're going to meet Rev 01. But
excellent point. Yeah, I totally agree. I mean, we can spend this meeting time to review the draft, whatever is ready, all the way, right, every week. Unless there are specific targeted presentations, that may take precedence, but otherwise we'll just, spend most of the time in the weekly meetings to review the draft content.
To what extent would you like to present or discuss this during our meetup on April 9th?
Yeah, I think this is what I was thinking. If we can lay out the white paper, the scope and sections in the owners, because I do want to give due credit to all the owners in the broad forum at minimum, that would be good. What exactly are we covering? What is the content we are going to cover for the white paper? When is that coming in? Who are the owners that are actually contributing in the community? Is what I was thinking at minimum.
Very good. Thanks.
Are you okay, CMI? Does it make sense?
It does very much make sense.
Yeah. So, speaking of the Rev 01 draft for mid-April, with what you're saying, why don't we, all the owners, aim to at least put as much information, even in a rough format, by April 9th, right? So that we move forward, and then hopefully just tell us exactly kind of the things you want to cover, and say like you mentioned, the contributors in the area. So yeah, write that down, and then I think all of us that own a section should try to meet your high level goal by the meetup, right? So that moves us forward, right? And we're not saying that it needs to be in the form we're going to share, but at least put it on this document with the information that you want at that time.
Yeah, even the high level, on maybe some rough draft of what could be the potential subsections. So far we talked about major, high level sections, right? For example, in Kubernetes or even in the API section. I mean, we may end up actually regrouping these sections once we have the content. I'm not super worried about that. It is more of having all kinds of data available for us to organize it correctly. Yeah, I mean, the owners at least need to have some whatever subsections that will be included in the white paper with a little bit of clarity on what that would be. 1 or 2 sentences would be ideal. Adam, does that make sense? Does that actually
yeah,
cover what you're mentioning?
Yeah, I'm trying to help move everyone forward, if that makes sense.
Yes,
right?
yes, more is better. Yeah.
Yeah, the as much as we can get by the face-to-face, I think the better off we'll be, right?
Yes. Yeah, more is better. The other thing is, if there is any specific areas where we really need some breakout session discussion, we probably will be getting an hour, right? So we could use that slot for this. Just us, all the folks who are interested in the Fabric orchestration side. So we could do that too, right? On top of what we are going to cover during the regular track agenda. Yeah, so if there are specific areas where you want to actually have a broader discussion, just a face-to-face setting, right? I don't mean we cannot discuss that in the weekly meetings, but it, face-to-face and whiteboarding type of a discussion. Yeah, definitely add that, and we can start planning towards that too. Yeah, it will be good for Jeff to actually review this sooner. Maybe Semak, would you mind actually pinging him, asking him to share the presentation at least before?
He was talking about some spring break time. So
oh, I see.
We'll see.
I see. Okay, so okay, got it. Okay. So everyone is okay with the milestones? Any other feedback on the milestones? Okay, anything else we want to talk today? Hopefully we can start reviewing that starting next week. I will try to, add my content, and hopefully we can have a discussion next week.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Any other last minute opens before we actually wrap up sooner today?
Hey, Reddy, can you share the link for the white paper? I don't see it in the files area of your groups.io.
Link. Okay, I posted in the chat.
Yeah,
it's basically in the OCP. Let me.
In the wiki or?
No, it's in the OCP. Wiki needs cleanup. I mean, it's my AR is actually on me for the top level wiki. I haven't got a chance to work on it. So if you go to the CMS top, right, there is a memory fabric orchestration, and the white paper is right here.
Okay.
In the memory fabric orchestration section. So
okay. Thanks.
All right. Awesome. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you,
Have a good
Reddy.
rest of the day. Take care. Bye.
Yeah. Thanks all. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.